Hey 8th graders! So after our Google Meets discussion today, Ms. Palacios and I were thinking about how we can make rotations more understandable for you guys, or at least kind of help you to see it a little bit better than you can on like a picture. So I'm going to use my Switch controller as an example. So imagine if your arms are the little handles on the controller, and this is the front of the classroom. So if you are facing the front of the classroom, and then you turn 90 degrees, you are now going to be facing the side wall of the classroom, and the front of the room is still right here. You turn another 90 degrees, your arms are now facing the back of the classroom, as opposed to how they started facing the front. We turn another 90 degrees, we're facing the other wall of the classroom, and we turn another 90 and we are facing the front. And each of these coordinates is 90 degrees. So we can turn a complete 180 and go from here facing the front to facing the back, or we can go 270 degrees and end up facing the side of the classroom. It all depends on the amount that you're turning and also the direction, because I've been turning these clockwise. So if we turn 90 degrees clockwise, we just turn one coordinate. 180 degrees, we move two coordinates, or quadrants rather. 270, you move into the third quadrant, and 360, you're back exactly where you started. And to demonstrate this again, I'm going to try using a pair of scissors. So notice how the blade of the scissors is always going to be pointing the origin, 0, 0. That is not going to change. So when we rotate 90 degrees, we're not going to be facing an entirely different direction. We need to keep facing almost like a compass, how it will always start from the same origin. We're still going to be pointing in the same direction when we rotate. And then 180, we will come around here, 270, and back to 360. So in some ways, the direction doesn't matter. Like if I had a second pair of scissors in the same placement, and I wanted to rotate them 180 degrees counterclockwise, I would move my red scissors 2 quadrants, 180 degrees, and if I move my blue scissors 180 degrees clockwise, they end up in the same exact position. And it's the same with 360 degrees. You end up in the same place, no matter which direction you move in. But if I were to move the blue scissors 90 degrees clockwise and the red scissors 90 degrees counterclockwise, we end up in completely different places. This is the same as moving 270 degrees clockwise, while the blue scissors are in the same place as moving 270 degrees counterclockwise. And then if we move a full 360, we come back around 180, 270, 360, 180, 270, 360, we end up in the same place again. So hopefully that helps you to visualize it a little bit better, and if you still have questions, let us know. We'll try everything we can to help you understand this.